attitude is much important, that should be made aware on how to make use of whatever.
Just apart from getting the audit reports and or not audit reports, the audit of this AGPO, we want action to be taken because this is a law. So what does it mean when a county says in the financial year of 2017-2018 they did not attain that percentage that is supposed to be for youth? They did not attain it in the following year, because it cannot be a story and people just saying yes, we are sorry, we did not attain. What is the action cause?
More specifically, we're also looking at the Kenya Youth Development Policy that has been passed by the President, and we're looking at it and making a call to action to the Cabinet Secretary, Ministry of Public Service, Gender and Youth, making a call to action to the ministry to ensure that they pass on guidelines to the counties that will then guide the county governments to have provisions on how to actualize the Kenya Youth Development Policy.
We need to find out what else can I do. Yeah, let's align our interests and find out, because the government is willing to finance us, let us find alternative ways.
The report is disturbing, considering the fact that between 2013 and 2016, only 7.7% uptake was reported on AGPO. 2018, it was only 7%. And that was an intervention by the Kenyan government to assist women, youth, and persons with disabilities. As we talk of this 7.7%, about 70% are youths from up and set up.